Say we cut 4 different colored peppers mixed with onions. I had already grilled off my steak, which you had saw earlier. You put your pan on the stove with a little bit of oil, just to coat the bottom. You don't want a lot. Okay, I'm gonna add my peppers and onions now. I add a little salt and pepper. These do take, I would say, about 5 minutes. By the time they cook down, I'm gonna add my garlic now. This is the pan for my steak. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sear it off in here real quick on a hot flame, and then I'm gonna add everything together. This is steak fajitas as you would find them in your home. You're not gonna find steak fajitas like this in a restaurant. It's gonna be mostly peppers and onions and a little steak. After your peppers and onions are sauteed, your steak is sauteed, everything is mixed together. I add a little teriyaki glaze for flavor to the assembling process. Put a little bit of lettuce down. You can make homemade salsa, homemade guacamole, whatever you choose to do. Or you can buy it. There are some good brands out there that you can buy. I roll them. Now they're ready for consumption.